Well, let's get out of here. Let the fun begin. Let's just hope they don't shut the highway down on us. You know, some of the worst weather is the fight between spring and winter. Spring wants to come in and winter's like, no, 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 I'm not done. Just saying. Well, good morning, everyone. It's 8:30 Central Standard Time. Truck's reading 36 degrees. No, we are not heading to Santa Fe. We are going to Springfield, Missouri. See how long we can. I'll get us up on the highway. I don't know if these drivers are from overnight last night or if they're just like scared. Don't want to be scared. Can't be scared. They were probably camped out for the night, most likely. Alright, guys. Ooh, that looks like it got all mashed up. I'm not going to go there. What some of these guys do or don't do. So, alright, guys. So we're up on the highway. Locked, rocked, and ready to go. Let's go. Boy, howdy. Woo. I'll get back to you. Well, hello. Thought I'd pop in. Can't really video anything out the front of the windshield right now. It's raining. We got rain. We didn't get on the road more than a couple of miles, and we had rain snow mix. I'll just show you real quick. Yeah, just a yicky mess. So, other than that, all in all, we're gonna have a good day. I know it. Something kind of hit me yesterday. Something I'd like to share with you guys. It's many years ago I knew I was going to be a driver. There's certain things in your life when you look back, whatever career you're doing, driving, accounting, whatever your profession is, there's certain giftings or things that happen in your life kind of help line that up for you. Like in my situation, after my dad had passed away, a couple of years, 2-3 years later, my mom's remarried, and well, he was an abusive person. I don't want to go into that, although I'm not afraid to share it. So if you guys wanted to know about that, there's nothing in there that deep dark secrets or anything, but there was a lot of abuse from him. But what the point that I'm trying to make here is, he used to move us a lot, like a lot. Memory serves me correctly, I remember going to 12 different schools, not colleges or anything, but schools for kids. I think I went to 12 of them in one school season. I don't remember how many months, not years that is. But yeah, some of the fights that we would get into was because, well, I'd throw all my pertinent clothes that I would wear, mostly, in a nice duffel bag, a couple of duffel bags, whatever, and I just lived out of them. And we used to go round and round because he'd want me to unpack, and I'd get a little deterred by that, because I'm like, why? We're going to be moving in a couple of days anyway, so save myself the headache. It is what it is. And I don't say any of that to get any attention to that, although abuse is wrong, whether it's physical or verbal. So by all means, get that taken care of. Leaves everlasting scars, and I can always get into that too if anybody really wants to. That's kind of a heavy topic to get into, so I don't know if I want to do that on this channel, or, well, quite frankly, this is a organic channel, so it's all good, because I'm not that person anymore. But yeah, so I tended to just stay in my duffel bag. Well, as a living now as a truck driver, guess what I do? Essentially, I live out of a duffel bag. So what I ended up doing as a recourse to not having to unpack with that person, or because of that person, now has become a way of life. It's kind of weird how that comes around. Okay, guys, I just wanted to share that, just kind of, and because we move so much, also, you get that rambling fever. There's this song to that, I think. But yeah, you get that rambling fever where you just feel like, okay, it's time to go. Been here too long. Gotta go. So, yeah, and because we used to move around a bunch, I just got kind of used to doing that. So now I do it for a living to get paid for it. It's funny how that happens. All right, guys, I love you. As always, I'll get back to you. Welcome to Groom, Texas. Not been able to video a whole lot. Winds have been driving out of the north, going straight south. So it's been a day filled with, well, you can't really, the camera's not really picking it up, but it's all I can do to maintain the lane. Texas is we are east of Amarillo. We've got a fuel stop picked out in I don't know, somewhere west of Oklahoma City, because I want to get fuel before I get on the turnpike. We will be jumping the turnpike. Since how that our company finally put the K-Pass and Oklahoma Pass in our truck, so I don't have to pay cash out of pocket. Or we'll be finding out how well that thing's worked. I've not used it since we've had it put in Steelhorse, so today we will find out how that is. As you can see, it's not raining anymore. We just got high winds, a lot of high winds. It's been both hands on the wheel, kind of driving. Wow, if that water tower is any indicator, is leading in the direction wind's blowing. I don't know if you guys can see that up there. It'll be on the left side of your screen as you get a little closer. She looks like the leaning tower of Pisa. I don't know if that's by design or what. But she's definitely got a tilt. I think we're going to drive past it too. Crossing the Gray County line. Brenton, USA. She's definitely got a lean. Couple legs missing. Alright guys, I'll let you go. I'll get back to you a little bit later. There's, as you can see, Panhandle of Texas doesn't really have a whole lot to look at. I've been driving past harvested cotton fields. I mean, they got stuff, don't get me wrong, but it's just, this looks pretty darn flat, just like North Dakota, South Dakota, Kansas, parts of Kansas. So, alright y'all, on that, I'm out. Afternoon everyone, it is about 2 o'clock Central Standard Time, 53 degrees. Yeah, the winds haven't subsided at all. They're not cooperating. Not too bad though. I mean, I'm getting 7 miles to the gallon, so hasn't killed me too much. We are now in Oklahoma, no longer in Texas. Just got off the phone with my good friend and brother in the Lord, Jeff, up in Canada. What a guy. What a guy. Thought I'd give you a shout out, Jeff. I want to thank you for, I love having conversations with this man. They're spirited. They're about life, reality, just the way things are. Just keep it organic, keep things real. Just be you. So, but we're just rolling. Not much to chit chat about. There's not much to look at so far. We'll be stopping here. I want to say somewhere about 80 miles to get some fuel. Top off Steelhorse. Hopefully be able to, I kind of try to plan this deliberately. If it's a real busy truck stop, you're inevitable to give up a half an hour sitting behind the pump. Waiting. You don't have to just block a fuel island. You can just go to ones that are notorious for being busy, and you can throw a half an hour waiting to get your turn, plus fueling, plus getting forward and then go get you can throw away a half hour real easy. So that's usually how I try to plan it, because I've had it where I needed to still take a few minutes, and the next guy behind me was like, I'm like, don't worry about it, and I roll away. I am not and will not block the fuel island. That's annoying. Pretty much everybody is on some kind of an electronic walk, except for the true independents that still do the paper logs, which I really wish we were still on, but as I digress. So all in all, so far it's been a good day. We're 396 miles into the run. We approximately have about another 350 to go yet. So we'll be just outside of Springfield, Missouri. And then we'll make a 8 a.m. delivery tomorrow. So, all right, guys. Well, hopefully everybody's afternoon's going well. And on that, God bless. Love you guys. And as always, I'll get back to you. Well, not much to look at. We're on the turnpike going around Oklahoma City, so we didn't actually go in Oklahoma City, which at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm good with that. I'm all good with that. So we just went past it because the Beltway comes off of 40. You get on John Kirkpatrick. I don't know what the significance of that is, but Kilpatrick, I think it is, turnpike. So you literally go like 9 miles north and do an end around, and you don't even do Oklahoma City. And when I looked down there on my satellite, it was just all the lanes were just red, which means traffic was stopped. So today, good day for the turnpike. Just thought I'd pop in real quick. That's a beautiful W9. Yes, I will move over now that all that stuff is done. So, all in all, we're still good. Next up, Tulsa, Oklahoma. They got some really pretty homes down here. A lot of them, like St. Louis, and I think Kansas City to a degree, I'm not sure. A lot of the houses are done in stone, limestone, brick. They're really nice. The architecture is off the charts on some of these. I don't know if I can get them in the camera or not. Now they got high walls blocking their back fence, so. And even some of their fences are made out of that same stone. That can't be cheap. But all in all, there we go. Alright guys, on that, I'll get back to you. We are rolling through, I don't know, parts of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thought I'd pop in real quick before we get on work. We're now currently on highway or Interstate 44. And at least this is my portion of Tulsa that I'm going through. And as you can tell, well, we got a little weather going on. On again, off again rain. got a little light sprinkles right now, so thought I'd pop in here real quick. We approximately have about 170 miles or so to go. If we can find a parking spot, we will have rolled off 767 miles today. That is the goal. I've got about a 1 minute cushion, and hope that there's parking there when I get there at 8 p.m., which is, I don't travel 44 in Springfield, Missouri. I keep saying Massachusetts. Whatever. What a goofball. All right, guys. On that, I'll get back to you. Well, we are done for the day. We did not make it to where I planned. We're at a little truck stop called Hood's Travel Plaza, or whatever you want to call it, on Highway 44. There I am right there. Woo-hoo! But we are all good. We are done. We got 755 miles in on the day. I don't think that's too bad. According to my GPS, we're about 24 miles from our delivery. They don't open until 8. So as long as I get out of here by 7:30 in the morning, I'm back on Central Standard Time. So it's almost 20 after 8 local time. So I got more than enough time to get my break in. Call her good. So I don't know where I was going. I had a really great day today. Got a really nice, good comment from a young man by the name of Eugene. He's 70, I think he said he's 75 years young. So I want to really thank you, Eugene, for a really good comment. That was really nice of you. I'm glad that you enjoy the videos. And like when I was talking to my good friend Jeff up in Canada today, I truly do believe that you guys are the best. You guys are awesome. As Jeff and I were talking, we just keep this channel organic. I'm gonna be me. If you want to come along for the ride, you're more than welcome to. We may chat a little bit about faith. We might talk a little bit about the traveling. There's one of the trucks I passed. Yeah, so we're just going to keep the channel organic and just let it go where it goes. But I just thank you for coming along as he takes my light out. If you could do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. And also, if you feel that my video is worth sharing, please do that. That would help the channel grow a little bit. It's not about growth, but just throwing everything out there. So, all right, guys. Well, we're just, like I said, we're just south of Springfield, Missouri, about 24 miles from where I got to deliver in the morning. So, got dinner cooking in the crock pot. We're doubling down on the buffalo tonight. I'm eating almost 2 pounds worth of buffalo, so hungry. So, all right, guys, I love you. God bless. And as always, I'll get back to you.